Good morning everyone. Subject IP, and today we are going to see in Python fundamentals variables and assignments. Variable means named label whose values can be used and processed during program run are called variable. These variables are named memory location. Here we can see uh, marks is equal to 70. So marks is a variable here where we are assigning 70 as a value. Here we can see Python variables are created by assigning value of desired type to them. Means in this marks variable we are assigning 70 one integer value. So now this marks is treated as one integer variable. Very next step, if you will assign there any string value, then marks will be a string value also, string variable also. So creating a variable, when we assign the value, then only variable is going to create it. To create a numeric variable, assign a numeric value to variable. To create a string variable, assign a string value to a variable name. For example, in the next two lines you can see student is equal to Jacob and age is equal to 16. So a student is also a variable and age is also a variable. Due to a string value, student is a string variable, and due to integer value, age is one integer variable. Next one is saying about L value and R value. L values are the objects to which you can assign a value or expression. L values can come on LHS of an assignment, whereas expression that can come on the right hand side or RHS of an expression or of an assignment is known as R value. For example, you can see A is equal to 20, B is equal to 10. So here left value and right value we can see. Left value is our variable, right value is our value or assigned value inside the variable. But we cannot say 20 is equal to A or 10 is equal to B. This is wrong. Next one is saying about multiple assignments. Assigning same value to multiple variables. For that we can use this expression also. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 10. Means the value of A, B and C is equal to 10. Assigning multiple value to multiple variables. So for that we can see x comma y comma z is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. So respectively here values will be there for x 10, for y 20 and for z 30. Like this also we can assign values in Python. In your example here we can see x comma y is equal to 25 comma 50. Print x and y, then we can see the output 25 and 30. According to that order only value is going in that variable in which they are written. And the last topic is variable definition. So a variable is defined only when you assign some value to it using an individual or using an undefined variable. It is a cause of error and the error is known as name error. In this example we can see first line is written print x, but what is x? This x is not defined, but due to print function Python will search what is needed to print. Next step, x is equal to 20 and then print x. So here due to the first x value is not defined, it will be the cause of an error, and the type of error is name error that we can see in the picture also. Due to line number 5 where print x is written, the cause name error we can see. So this is variable and assignment of variable in Python. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.